up, Fighting the Fish family? We're out on Buffalo Lake right now. Man, this is an awesome lake. You know, it's been a long time since I've been here, and we are having just a blast. We're catching a lot of fish right now, having tons of blow-ups from fish. And we haven't caught a ton of them yet, a lot of them yet, but man, like, it's like...
There was one. Blow-up right there.
Oh my God, oh my God.
First one on a frog.
It's almost live, blowing up on frogs. So hey, this lake was drained. How many years ago did they drain it?
5 years ago.
5 years ago, the lake was drained, and you know, it's bouncing back. Oh, Leo's hooked. Jesus, I'm trying to film this intro thing here. Oh, there we go, on the frog.
Wow, that's big.
Oh yeah.
Nice fish.
Breaking my reel. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Woo.
Yeah.
Dude, that was on the Fighting the Fish frog.
Sure was. Whoa.
Nice work. Look at that frog right there. Most inhaled it. God. Those are the new Fighting the Fish frogs. Oh, that's so cool, man. I don't know. My intro, I don't even know what I was saying anymore. Nice work, buddy.
I told you I was going to get one, dude.
Yeah, good job, man. All right, Shawn is the guy who did the Fighting the Fish intro. Do it, buddy.
Fighting the fish. Yeah.
Fighting the fish. Fighting the fish. There's got to be some. There's got to be a giant fish in there. All right. You hooked up?
Yep.
Can you reel that in for me, Shawn?
Yeah. Yep. I'm gonna try using
Bass or pike?
Pike.
Oh, big pike.
You did that?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Want me to film it?
I'm good. There we go. So you still only got one hook to deal with.
Yep.
It's your first Buffalo Lake fish, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's your first Buffalo Lake fish. Cool, man.
Nice job. That's not too bad a one either.
Yeah, that's not bad.
First Buffalo Lake fish. Cool, good work, buddy.
Yep. Nice.
That was on that chatterbait, huh?
He fought.
Or,
That was a
So
jig.
strong.
A jig.
oh, that was on a jig?
Yeah.
Wow, nice. Is it a nice one?
Pretty nice.
Is it a nice one?
Pretty nice.
On the net?
Thanks. Oh,
Nice.
it's been a while since I've caught a Buffalo Lake bass.
Heck
It's been like literally years since I've caught a bass on Buffalo. Nice.
Awesome.
Nice. There we go. That's what we were looking for. Maybe a little bigger than that, but that's still rad. There we go. There you go, buddy. Nice. Thanks.
Those are the ones that were just stacked.
Let's see.
All these small.
How many pike like that
They
did they
said they
stock?
stacked plenty of them. See, they're all scarred up. Every pike in here has scars all over them.
From them chomping on
I
each
think
other,
from
you think?
fighting each other, yeah.
From fighting the fish.
All right, yep. You go back and fight some pike.
There we go. The ones right at the boat would be so awesome.
That's that same one.
Yeah.
Did you get that one?
Yeah.
I could have probably got it, but I didn't want to set the hook and
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh, don't worry. I'll protect my fish.
Here.
you just have
I'll move out of the way or something.
Ooh.
Did you bite you off?
Oh, man.
How?
You had a leader on there, didn't you?
Yeah, I had a steel leader on
Maybe it was just a bad,
He's fighting good. Nope. Jesus. He's just a maniac, dude. Just a crazy one.
He's a maniac, maniac.
Get him in the boat.
Oh, flipping him in.
Oh,
We're going to have a whole bunch of footage that looks exactly the same.
This
The
one's
pike
going-
all look the same.
This one.
He's a maniac, maniac. There you go. Oh my gosh. Let's go throw your buzzbait down there, or maybe the frog will get it. We'll see. It's buzzbait versus frog. Who will win?
Yeah, we'll do some side.
I don't know what it is, but I'm going to guess it's a pike. I haven't seen it yet. Yep, pike. All right. Oh, giant.
Dr. Pike.
You don't have to film anymore. We're good. Thanks, though.
Alright, good thing we made the move, huh? Maybe we're on the pike spot. Oh.
There we go.
Yeah, nothing wrong with that. There we go.
Thanks.
Come on, Justin. You don't need the glove?
No, I'm good. Hold on 1 second, though.
There's 2 bites and,
Did he get you?
Yeah.
You bleeding? Is it bad?
Ooh, broken nail.
You're using the glove.
Yeah.
Should have brought the glove.
I have it. It's right there.
I got my thumb smashed. I don't know what got me.
I think it was a.
I don't know if the lure hit me or the pike hit me. It just shaked and every year, like I've never had problem with pike before, and now I just suck at it.
They're in your head.
Keep getting smashed by pike. That was a pretty big one too that smashed me. I'm like, I don't know if you can see that. If it took off, like my thumbnail's gonna be messed up, man. I don't want to look at it. Oh, you can't see it on video, but it's like through my
You're gonna end
thumb.
up with half a thumbnail.
My thumbnail's gonna be gone.
It's gonna fall off.
Great. I don't know what I'm gonna do, you guys. My thumbnail is gonna fall off. So I'm trying to cast watch, left-handed, and then I can't reel. So what am I supposed? Ow!
Dang it!
What am I supposed to do? Man, this sucks. There, my thumbnail. It's not gonna last long. It's gonna come off.
Yeah.
I don't even really know what hit me, but how am I supposed to fish right now? I can't reel, can't cast. Alright, back to fishing. Big, but
What's another piece of your thumb?
so I thought it was bigger than that. I did it without a thumb. Ow! It hurt
half
a little
of the
bit.
thumb.
I'm not unhooking this one.
Thumbless pike.
The guide's got to do it. I can't do it. My thumb's all
Up here on
messed
this
up.
lake, we prefer to use a glove.
There's so many little pike, it's crazy. Fish on. Woo! Go. A messed up thumb's not gonna stop me from fighting the fish.
Oh, that's nice. That's a decent
That's a
one.
good one, yeah.
Jumping net.
Oh, over the net.
Dukes of Hazzard style. We'll get them Duke boys.
All right, taking a quick pit stop to try to fix my thumb, and then we're going back out on the water. Dang it. Stings. Gonna get this done and we go back out and fight the fish. All right, it's washed up. We gotta wrap it up now. It looks good now that I washed it up. It's way better. Just wrap a couple band-aids around it or some tape. We could wrap that around my thumb.
Yeah, I think that would be the best idea. Do you think it'll keep it from falling off your thumbnail?
While I'm fishing, yeah.
It would keep you from going into shock from your loss of.
Thanks, Ann. You're the best. Do you want to make an appearance on Fighting the Fish?
Not really.
So far, it's just your hands.
My hands. I could be like a hand model. Like George Costanza.
I've got hands.
All right, I just got all fixed up. Thumbs up, thanks to Ann. My thumbnail's gonna fall off for sure, but I think I'm good enough to take some casts now and try to catch a few more fish. Oh, I missed that.
Here she comes again. Nope.
You're trying to make him jump.
Yep,
Come on, Pike.
Here
You
he
want
comes
to be?
again.
Do you want to be a movie star? You got to jump.
Fish for today, but I just got my biggest pike. Awesome. Jumped about like 3 feet out of the water.
Yeah, I didn't get that on video.
He got some rad air.
It was still cool.
All right. Later,
that.
sucker.
You did the airwalk.
Glad I.
Let that bastard in the weeds.
Whoa.
That's a big one.
On the Fighting the Fish Frog?
On the Fighting the Fish
Nice.
Frog. Good thing we made the move, huh?
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
That's a big
Feel like I did-
That blow up was huge.
That was awesome.
Want the glove, Leo? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
After
get the
what
glove.
happened with him.
Fish Frog, all right, buddy.
Hang on, Leo. Let me get a picture of it too.
That's a good pike.
It's not bad. Okay, he hammered that frog.
All right, Leo, you do the outro.
Okay, catch you next time on Fighting the Fish.